Sweet Seattle Solo Jazz 1, week number 2. These were the 3 new steps we put into the mix. We had skates. Skate goes 5, 6, 7, 8. Skate 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a skate 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We also did the lowdowns, pushing the weight out, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we had pecking, where you push the neck forward. 6, 5, 6, 7. A peck, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A peck, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We also took a look at the second step of the shim sham, the pushing step, starting on the number 8 of 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, step, step, and you push it, and you push it, and you cross over, and you push it, and you push it, and you cross over, and you cross over, and you back in. That's week number 2.